So here we are in our nice little restaurant. Sun's going down. You can't quite see the nice patio out there. So what's this, honey?
ต้มแซ่บ
What's that?
ต้มแซ่บ is pork
You said pork?
with Thai herb
Wait, okay, so there's pork and Thai herb. What's this?
we call น้ำตก this is a pork too but we mix with some rice but the rice have to I don't know how to say like make it to be crispy first.
Okay. What's this?
And takes
Oh, this is the fried shrimp, right?
yep.
There we go, fried shrimp. Oh,
And-
there's our veggies and stuff on the side. And what's this?
This is a pork too. Pork grill.
Pork. Oh, this is just grilled pork.
Grill pork.
And there's a Jirapon eating.
เอาบ่ได้เปิดห้องให้บ่ค่ะ อ๋อ ประตูหน้าเลื่อนได้เลยค่ะ เขาไม่ได้ล็อกค่ะ ประตูหน้าไหมค่ะค่ะเลื่อนได้เลยประตูฝั่ง